In this video, we are going to see 5th Standard English, Term 1, Unit 1 Supplementary, Last in Space. Come, let us get into the story now. Last in Space. Amudan and Nilavan visited the Space Museum. They saw a model of a space shuttle. Then Nilavan found a latch and opened the shuttle. They entered the shuttle and the door locked. Amudan and Nilavan were friends. They visited the Space Museum. Do you know what is museum? Yes, museum is a place where we display historical things. So here Space Museum means they display things which are related to the space. In the museum, Nilavan and Amudan saw a model of a space shuttle. You all know that, isn't it? Yes, you can see in that picture. It is in center. Suddenly, Nilavan found a latch and opened the shuttle. Latch means it's like a lock. They entered the shuttle and the door was locked. So, unfortunately, the door was locked. Now they were trapped inside and they walked into the deck. Because unfortunately, they locked the door. Now they are inside the shuttle. They walked into the deck. One who is wearing blue shirt is Amudan and yellow shirt is Nilavan. Amudan said, "So many switches, what does this big green switch do?" Nilavan, "No, don't touch it." Okay, they went inside the shuttle and they saw many switches. Amudan said, "Many switches are here. What does this big green switch do?" Nilavan said, "No, don't touch it." If you are in that place, will you touch anything? Yes. We get little scared to touch any switch. Something will happen, isn't it? But Amudan had pressed the switch and the shuttle burst into outer space. But here what happened? Amudan, he pressed that green button. Suddenly, the shuttle burst into a outer space. It started moving. And Nilavan said, "What have you done, Amudan? Because it is dangerous, isn't it?" Yes. Then Amudan said, "Sorry, I thought the button would open the door, but looks like I hit the wrong button." Amudan said to Nilavan, "Sorry, I thought that button would open the door, but it was wrong now." The shuttle went through a belt of asteroids. "Amudan, an asteroid is coming towards us. Turn the shuttle." "How will I turn the shuttle?" "Let me try pulling this lever." The shuttle crash landed on a new planet. "Are you alright, Amudan?" "I'm fine. Quick, we must wear a spacesuit." The shuttle went through a belt of asteroids. Yes, in the space, we can see many planets, asteroids and etc. Isn't it? So, Nilavan said, "An asteroid is coming towards us. Turn the shuttle." If it is not turned, what will happen? Yes, they will clash. Then Amudan said, "How will I turn the shuttle? I don't know. Let me try pulling this lever." He pulled that lever. The shuttle crash landed on a new planet. They landed on a new planet. Then Nilavan asked, "Are you alright, Amudan?" He said, "I'm fine. Quick, we must wear a spacesuit." Why do they need a spacesuit? Yes, without spacesuit, they cannot live in another planet. Yes, only on the earth we can live without spacesuit. They ran for the chutes. Nilavan saw green lights coming towards the shuttle. "Look at those lights. It is coming towards us." "Yes, they are all around us and that shuttle is very big. Let us wear our suits." When they were wearing their suits, Nilavan saw green lights coming towards that shuttle. Then he said Amudan to look at that light. Amudan said, yes, they are all around us, and the shuttle is very big. Let us wear our shoes first. Do you know who have come in that shuttle? Yes, aliens. Aliens from the big shuttle shattered the windows and took them out. Please don't be afraid. There is a problem with your shuttle. We can fix it for you. How is this possible? Do you speak our language? We can read your mind and use that to speak your language. The aliens gave them a special room so that they can remove their shoes and rest. The shuttle, which was landed by Nilavan and Amudan, was crashed. By seeing that, they scattered the window and took them out, and they said, don't be afraid. There is the problem in your shuttle. We can fix it for you. They were surprised. Nilavan and Amudan were surprised, and they asked, how can you know our language? Then aliens said, we can read your mind and use to speak your language. The aliens gave them a special room so they can remove their shoes and take rest. Please rest here and eat these capsules. They are the same as your food. Hey, wake up. Your ship is ready. Put on your suits. It's time to go home. Thank you for your help. Are you coming to Earth with us? When the time comes, we will see you. Nilavan and Amudan went to the special room and they removed their suits and they take rest. Aliens served capsules to them to eat, and they said they are the same as food that we eat. Then they said their ship is ready and put on their suits to go home. If anybody helps you, what will you do? Yes, we have to thank them, isn't it? They also said thanks for their help, and they asked them to come to Earth with them. Aliens said, when the time comes, we will see you. I hope you all enjoyed the story. Thank you for watching.